Alright guys, sorry about that guys. I am back. So got to do part 2, but it's going to be, I'm finishing this up real quick. What I was saying to you guys is, you can see right here, see these little, looks like the play button? Those are messages. So 108 messages have been left about this opportunity because I'm placing ads, guys. So this does work. But again, don't put yourself in a box and just do things one way. We have various ways that we're doing this, posting ads, okay? So get with me. Let's talk about it. We'll share this with you as well as it's in your back office, okay? But I'll show you some of the things that I'm doing. So 108 messages have been left doing this system, okay, and following what they're telling you to do in your back office, okay? So this is the way to go. Various ways you can do it. Get started today, okay? I'm going to put the link below for copy paste ad system. Again, you can do text message marketing. You can post the ads. You can use a phone number. You can use the texting method. There's over 100 places you can place your ads. And in Craigslist, there are places to place ads for $5. I found them. They are there. And don't just place one ad. That's where everybody's making a mistake. They're saying, oh, I placed the ad, nothing's happening. And you're not doing anything else. You keep placing ads, guys. Make that a routine. If you can't do it daily, when you make a budget, if you're getting paid once a week, at the end of the week, whatever your budget is, you place ads for that amount. If you have a $100 budget, then you can place various ads in different places, and you do that every week over and over. And of course, you don't want to do the same ad in the same city. Okay? So the next week, you're going to switch that ad out, or the next location. You don't want the same ad in the same city. You want to switch it up, okay? So this is really easy, guys. We can do solo ads too. If you don't even want to touch placing ads, we can do that, or we can give you the done for you company that will place the ads for you. Of course, you'll give them the ads, the company that I'm speaking of, that I refer you to. You give them your ads, and they'll do the heavy lifting for you by placing the ads in the various places, okay? So this is a great system, great way to get started, making these $100 commissions over and over and over. Matter of fact, while I'm speaking to you now, I just got another sale, okay? So it literally is on autopilot, all right? So get started with me in the copy paste ad system, and I also going to give you an additional 100 ads that you can use. I'm also going to share some of the other places that I've located where I'm placing ads. I'm going to share that with people that actually join me, and I'm going to place your first ad for you. How about that? Okay, so go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click the notification bell. Go ahead and like the video, and reach out to me. But go ahead and check this funnel out so you can see how it works. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Okay, I look forward to you guys partnering with me and joining us in this journey. This is going to be awesome for 2019, guys. It's just getting started, okay? Just getting started, so it's just getting better and better. So look forward to working with you. Okay, until then, next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.